Hello there, namaste. Hope you're ready to start this day with me. So today we're gonna do intentional meditation, which is pretty much being still, staying still, just keeping our ears, our senses open, except our eyes. We're gonna keep our eyes shut and relaxed. So we're just gonna focus on everything that we're hearing, whether it's the sound of people around us or just air. We're gonna let everything flow through us. So we're just imagining that there's a conscious sitting here, but everything is flowing right through us, whether it's air, if it's raining, the rain is going through us, if there's fire, it's going right through us, like we're just another particle in the air in the universe, just like air itself. So we're gonna exist without, like we're existing without materialistic body, pretty much. So I'm at the park today and it is a Sunday, so it is very busy. A lot of noises here, a lot of noises I could focus on and let that flow right through me, over me, under me, ahead of me, however it wants to exist. So we're just gonna submit ourselves to the existence in a way. So whether it's thoughts flowing, we're gonna let them flow. We're gonna be still and be in the present, and I'll allow everything to exist as perfectly as it already does. So that's our intention for today's meditation. I'm gonna put 10 minutes for the meditation and then we will begin. Okay. If you're seated in the sun just like me, with nature, just imagine that the sunlight is going right through you and touching the grass beneath you, like you're not here physically, but you're here consciously. The air that's flowing, it's flowing right through me, like I'm not here physically. Consciously we are here, so we're not forgetting that. We're just allowing the flow to flow through us, as in the nature, just allowing it to flow, like we're not here stopping anything. We're here to become one with nature, as in we're all one at the end of it all. Whether you're doing this meditation at home and you're able to hear the noises outside of your room, or you're in the park, or you're in a quiet area where you hear nothing but birds, or maybe crickets, or maybe nothing at all, just air, leaves just clapping through the wind. That's also a great noise. Or if you're sitting at the beach, you're able to hear the water. That's also great noise. Just submit to whatever it is. Let go of control. Relax your eyes. try to relax any part of your body wherever you might be feeling pain or discomfort. You can even do this meditation laying down if you want, or sitting up with some support, or just like this without support. Feel like you're one with the sun, the light of the sun. It's not just flowing through you. You're one with the light of the sun. You are sun. We're all one. The air. You're part of the air. You're breathing air in and out. It exists with you. It's a part of you. Accept that. The heat inside our body is possible because of the sun, the fire within us. So we're one with the fire as well. We're one with all the elements: water, air, fire, earth, metal. The balance of it all and the form that it is makes us as we are now. So it's in all of us, as equally and as differently. That's why we're all the same, yet we all look different, and we desire things differently, want things differently, we live differently, yet we are all one. Accept all of that. Become all of that with the knowing that there is only one. Exist with peace, with focus, with consciousness, with love. I love you, air. I love the sun. I love when the sun gives me vitamin D. It aligns all the vitamins inside our bodies when that happens. I love the fact that I'm able to breathe in air and breathe it out as well without any problem, because that's how I'm able to exist. And the fire within me, the temperature that this body is able to maintain. Thank you for that, body, because that allows me to be in this one piece, to enjoy life at its prime, because I am at my prime right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love me. I appreciate me. I dissolve all the ego. And I surrender to love, to kindness, to acceptance, to cherish everything that I have in this present. chasing, but only existing and appreciating. There's so much to appreciate around us, but we get so worked up when we're chasing and desiring that we forget what we have now is enough. This health, great health, the food in my plate is enough, the roof over my head is enough, the clothes that I put on my body is enough, the shoes that I'm able to wear is enough, the car that I drive is enough. It is all enough. I have more than enough. Thank you, universe, for all of that, for all of the love and kindness that you gave us. Thank you for giving us a chance, giving me a chance to become a part of this human being community, because we are on top of the food chain. We run this world. Thank you for that. I don't ever want to take any of it for granted. Thank you, trees. Thank you, grass. Thank you, water. Thank you, river. Thank you so much for existing. And thank you to all of you for being here and being a part of this beautiful meditation with me. I love you. Time to pick a card of the day. Okay, what am I feeling drawn to? Okay, this card. The relationship between self-compassion and forgiveness. Self-compassion and self-forgiveness go hand in hand. How? When there are life events and choices we have not forgiven ourselves for, they often end up to be regrets. Regrets can easily show us as self-critical ruminations in our minds, such as those thoughts that begin with, I would've, could've, and should've. Without realizing it, we can end up in a cycle of regret, self-anger, and sometimes even self-hatred for mistakes or choices we wish we never made. Mind states such as these take us far away from what we really need, which is the practice of self-forgiveness. Yes, forgiveness. Like self-compassion is a practice. The more we open to self-forgiveness, the more we open the door to self-compassion. Self-forgiveness is self-compassion. Practice. The practice of self-forgiveness. Take a comfortable seat for this simple meditation. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Place a hand to your heart or on another area of your body that feels comforting and soothing. Recite each of the following statements silently to yourself 2 times. I will do that twice in case you just want to hear it, and then just repeat. May I forgive for the ways in which I have do harm to myself, my body, or another in any way through actions that have been unkind. May I forgive myself for the ways in which I have done or do harm to myself, my body, or another in any way through actions that have been unkind. May I learn to forgive these actions and choices through understanding. May I learn to forgive these actions and choices through understanding. If I am not yet ready to forgive myself, may I forgive myself for that and offer compassion for what I am capable of today. If I am not yet ready to forgive myself, may I forgive myself for that and offer compassion for what I am capable of today. For all the ways that I may harm, negate, doubt, judge, or belittle myself or be unkind to myself or others through my own confusion, may I learn to forgive myself. That'll be all for today.